In preparation for the CWPA roundtable discussions for newer WPAs, we encourage you to watch this short video introduction. The discussions of this group will focus upon the concerns of early career WPAs, but of course anyone is welcome, no matter their career stage. These conversations will address some of the primary questions that newish WPAs will need to consider as they begin their WPA labors, while by no means as a fully comprehensive coverage of these issues. These conversations, led by experienced WPAs in the field, will allow for new and newish WPAs some frameworks and methods by which to prioritize and process their upcoming initiatives and tasks. These discussions will make WPAs aware of the following confluences of WPA decision making: problems, situations, concerns. What issues regarding writing should you address on your campus? How should you prioritize those challenges if you have more than one? Institutional context. What knowledge do you need to know about your campus to address these issues? Things such as faculty training, union issues, upper administration constraints, funding conundrums, or other things. Campus and community stakeholders. Who will want to speak to the issues of the writing program? What do they know about writing pedagogy? Will they act as allies or perhaps obstructionists? Rules, policies, constraints. What policies about writing already exist in your campus? How can you make them work to your advantage as well as to your writing instructors and students? Divisions of fair and equitable labor. Who has to do the labor for your writing program? Do they get fairly compensated for it? How can you make this labor more equitable? Obstacles, obstructions, opportunities. What challenges do you foresee facing as you implement your writing initiatives? How can you creatively turn obstacles and obstructions into opportunities? Allies, obstructionists. How can and should you identify allies and obstructionists on your campus? Plans of action. How do you want to identify and prioritize your writing program initiatives? What needs to happen first so better things can happen later? Generally, these inquiries pose an overarching question. What principles guide you when you need to make tough decisions that affect other people in significant ways? In considering these aspects of WPA labors and decision making, this session hopes to offer WPAs a framework or a map for considering the landscape or ecology of their ways of moving forward in their WPA roles. Prior to Thursday morning session, you may want to reflect upon, perhaps even write a bit about the questions posed above.